The Market Manager gives an easy overview of the market symbols and related open and pending orders. It also enables you to quickly take trading actions and get further information about individual markets. Setting it up. To get started, simply drag and drop the Market Manager from the Expert Advisors list in MetaTrader 4 Navigator onto a chart. Make sure the Allow Live Trading and Allow DLL Imports boxes are checked and that Auto Trading is turned on. You are now ready to trade using the Market Manager. Multiscreen Trading. You can position the Market Manager anywhere on your desktop or on the chart. If you want to pin it to the chart, simply click on the top left icon and select Pin, Unpin. If you want to make the Market Manager bigger or smaller, you can do this by putting your mouse on a corner or on a side and dragging the borders of the app. Multiple languages. The Market Manager operates in 14 international languages as standard and will automatically display in the language used for your MT4 if that is one of the supported languages. To change the Market Manager language once the MT4 is open, simply select the language you want from the main MT4 View Languages menu and either restart the MT4 or remove and add back the Market Manager. Market Manager currently supports these languages. If you would like a new language to be added, please ask. The home screen. There is a lot of functionality in the Market Manager, and full details can be found in the user guide provided with the app. Looking at the home screen, we can see a list of markets or symbols, the current bid and ask, and details of open positions in lots of profit or loss. The list of markets will reflect the markets listed in your trading platform, synchronizing with the contents of MT4 Market Watch. Looking at the Market Manager, the first market symbol on the list is dollar Swiss. If we click on this display, we see a pop-up which shows the low and high price movements over the last 60 minutes, 24 hours and 5 days. It also shows bid and ask prices and lot size and profit and loss. The symbol window can be switched to show recent price activity instead of the candles by clicking on the tick lines icon. This is not a tick chart, it is a 500 millisecond chart which continues updating even if there is no market activity. The buy and sell buttons at the top click through to a screen that enables us to set a number of different market and pending orders and to set order templates. This is the same dealing form used in the Trade Terminal and Mini Terminal apps and can be used to load trading templates created in other modules of the software or to create new templates. We will set a buy order and stop loss and take profit and save it as a template called Buy To. We can also get to the order screen by clicking on the bid or ask boxes. To get the template for quick order execution, we simply hold down Ctrl and click again on the bid or ask boxes, and then